Alright guys, so I have this fan motor here for a Lennox Xc16 condenser motor, someone else's call, but they gave it to me today, so let's show you how we get that done. Alright, so this is the old beast. I'm going to take the panel off, the wires, take my screws off, flip it over, probably take it to my van, get out of the sun, and get that going for you guys. Alright, so we got, you're going to want to remove purple, black, and orange, like that. Ooh, it's cool. Cut that wire. Oh, she's getting hot today, boy. On call for the whole weekend. That should be fun. So let's get these screws out. Nice and easy. Ooh, damn, she sees nice. No play in there. Gotta be careful with these. I've snapped them before. Oh, got it on. We'll tighten her up. Alright, so I got the new blade on there. So what I'll do now is make sure this goes on with the wires. Okay, then put it all back and we'll test her out. Alright, so that's all secured. That's in. put my wires back, zip tie it, fire it up. Here guys, we're just gonna test this out real quick. We got air. So a couple takeaways from this, okay? Make sure you get your wires, pay attention to this. Make sure you tighten your set screw. Don't over tighten these nuts, they snap all the time, at least on this unit. So this is a warranty call. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, subscribe, see you on the next one.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got